Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Royal Match connection problem. If you're experiencing connection issues in Royal Match, then it can be pretty much frustrating. But here are several steps you can take to help resolve these problems. First of all, check your internet connection on your mobile device. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to determine if the issue is related to your network. After you get connected to your Wi-Fi or stable internet connection, you might be able to fix the issue right then. If the problem still continues, the next thing you can do is to restart the game and device. Force close the application by swiping up the app card and releasing. After you do that, you can also try rebooting your device, and this will refresh your network setting and resolve the connectivity issue. If the problem still continues, then try clearing cache and data. On your Android device, you can go to Settings, Apps, and find the Royal Match app and go to Storage. There you will see the Clear Cache and Clear Data button, which you should press on to resolve the issue. If you're using iOS, then just go ahead and open up your settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on General. Now from the General tab, tap on Software Update. Check if there is an update available for your iOS device. If there is one, tap on Update Now or schedule an update. You can also look for the update if available on your Android device as well. Once you have made sure that you have the updated device's software, then you can easily resolve the connectivity issue. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it, as these services can interfere with the game's connection. After trying all of these above steps, you can be able to solve your connectivity issue on Royal Match. Having said that, I would like to say goodbye from today's episode. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.